Good morning, Morrow students. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Here is your meme of the day. Rest in peace, Grumpy Cat. Alright, quick reminder. Please make sure you watch or read the daily message every day. Make sure you're completing your assigned lessons, turning your assignments in. Today we're finishing lesson 10.1, so that should be turned in if you can today, so you don't get too far behind, but it's okay to turn it in late. Also, please make sure you're checking in with me at least twice a week. I've already checked in with a lot of you, but especially if you're in my homeroom, you have to make sure you check in because that's how we're recording attendance. If you don't check in for the week, you're marked absent every day that week. So please make sure you're checking in with your homeroom teachers at least once a week. Alright, like I said, we're finishing up lesson 10.1 today, populations and samples. Our objective is to use a sample to gain information about a population, like I was saying yesterday. Think of the population as the whole group you want to learn about, and think of the sample as the people who you give your survey to. So, thinking of an example in school. If I wanted to learn about what our school's favorite movie was, I might randomly pick a few kids from each of the classes and ask them what their favorite movie is. And then we'll use that information to make a prediction about the whole school's favorite movie. So in that example I just made up, the school, the whole student body at our school would be the population, because that's what we're trying to learn about. We didn't ask all of them, but that's what we're trying to learn about. And the group of students from each class who we actually did ask, that would be our sample. So, looking over here at your daily work, start by watching your video or reading the message. Rewatch those lesson videos. If you didn't watch them the first time, I think they're going to help clear things up, although most of you have been doing better with this lesson than our last couple, which I thought would happen, and I'm glad. Complete the lesson 10.1 independent practice problems, complete the exit ticket, and then turn your assignment in. Remember, you can turn work in on Teams. You can text me pictures, you can email me pictures. All the information of how to do that is going to be in this post. Okay? So thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye.